Hi, my name is Brandon from Denmark, your tech friend, with an unboxing of the Samsung S22 Plus Edition. Okay, and just bear with me because I wanted to spice this video up by doing one or two things, right? And the first one was asking my best friend's girl, this girl, if she would like pretend to be super enthusiastic about this phone, and I was kind of reluctant of doing it when I realized it was in pink gold. Yuck! And then we were gonna make fun out of this, but she has an interest in an army man, and that is apparently something that comes before me. And then instead I would like to present you with an unboxing of the Samsung S22 Plus to a Taylor Hawkins drum solo, just to spice things up. Okay, I got like about 20 seconds or something, so here goes nothing. And let's just take a look at what you get in the package. There is, if you've seen this in other places, there is not much. There are these quick start guards, there's this USB-C to USB-C, nothing in the lid. And the phone itself is just in this pretty color. Of course, with an unboxing, you always get to do the peeling. Are you ready for this? Let's just do it for good measure. On the front one, wow! You always gotta peel this little one. I urge you to do it. It's just plainly annoying otherwise.
So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a very nice day. We're off. Bye.